This video, I show you how to earn $1,856 just by listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn $1.35 per minute by listening to music. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now let's get started. First off, this is the website that we will be using where we can earn money just by simply listening to music. This website is very popular, and many people are already familiar with it. It is very simple and easy to use. And right here, as you can see, in just 4 simple steps, you can go from setting up your new account to starting to earn money in just less than 5 minutes. And below here, you can see these great features that they have on this website that you will certainly love. They have high compatibility. They offer best placed ads, the ability to style your radio, detailed statistics, a simple system to exchange your points, and the ability to cash out anytime. The service is totally free, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. In continuation, you can also choose to get paid via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, and of course, PayPal. Right here you can see live statistics of all the current listeners from around the world. This website has already paid out this amount to its users worldwide. The website has hundreds of users from all over the world listening to music right now and earning money. You can zoom in and out right here to see the number of people who are currently earning money. To sign up for a free account, you need to click on this button that says sign up. And that will then take you to this page. Just fill out your preferred username, your first name, last name, your email address, your password, then complete this CAPTCHA, and right after that, click on register. And then you have successfully created your new account. Now, log in and view your very own dashboard. Once inside your dashboard, go here where it says start earning and select listen to radio. You'll choose one of these 3 radio stations right here, and you'll be paid every couple of minutes of listening. The points will be added directly to your account. And later, you can convert these into real actual cash. But before you can start earning money with this method, click here on settings and make sure to fill out your payment information on this page. Simply enter your PayPal email address or any payment methods that you would want to use. Now to start listening and making money, click on this button right here. Once you click on the radio station, another tab will open. Simply click on this play button over here, and the music will start playing immediately. The best thing about this method is that you can just let it play in the background. After the requisite number of minutes, you can switch to another station. And that's all you need to do on this platform, which is called RadioEarn.com. It is very simple to use and very intuitive. So try it right now and start earning money today. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. The next website to check out is Cash4Minutes.com. Cash4Minutes.com is a very unique service that allows you to earn cash by simply making phone calls and listening to music. They have already paid out over £11 million since they launched their website. And they have over 144,000 users to date that are using this website to earn money listening to music. All you have to do is head over to this website and then sign up. Once you've signed up, they will send you an email confirmation to verify your account. At first, when you log in, they'll show you this page, where you'll find information on how to use the website to make money, so be sure to go through it in order to learn about the platform's code of conduct. By the way, remember to link your preferred payment option with the site so that you can get paid once you have reached the payment threshold. Another website you should use is hitpredictor.com. This is one of the best websites for making money while listening to music. Once you log in, you will get paid to rate new music before it is released to the public. Once you've finished listening, you'll be directed to a page where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's music. After you're done rating the music on this website, you can earn points that you can later convert to cash. Moving on, let's head over to musicxray.com. On this website, you can listen to music brands, get to review their songs, and also earn money. Music X-Ray is known as the industry's leading song and talent filter. Basically, this website was launched to promote artists who want their music to be recognized and to build a fan base on a global level. These artists pay a certain fee to promote their music and to build a fan base by submitting their songs to the portal and generating followership. You will be signing up as a music fan in order to listen to the music of your own choice. You will be paid by the website to listen to these new artists' songs. The recordings are mostly only 30 seconds long. And even though the website pays a couple of cents per song, this is an excellent opportunity to make extra income. Music X-Ray is a fairly easy website to play with. However, there are a few points that you should know before you start. First, you should not listen to a song for less than 30 seconds. If you do that, then you will not be credited with the money. Second, after listening to the track, you can either become a fan or decline. Either way, you will still receive the payment for the track you listen to. Also, it's best if you change your music preferences weekly, because this way you will keep getting more tracks to listen to and more suggested songs to enjoy. Music X-Ray allows users to cash out their payments through PayPal and through other payment methods. The minimum payment threshold is $20, and you have the option of cashing out multiple times. Now, let's have a short recap on the platforms that we've discussed. First website is radioearn.com, where you can earn money just by listening to music. The best part about this site is that you can just let the music play in the background while doing other things. Just head over to radioearn.com and register for a free account. The second website is cash4minutes.com. This site has a very unique service that allows you to earn cash by simply making phone calls and listening to music. The third website is hitpredictor.com, where you will get paid to listen and rate new music before it is released to the public. After you're done rating the music, you can earn points that you can later convert into real cash. And the fourth website is musicxray.com, where you can earn money just by listening and reviewing music that are mostly only 30 seconds long. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to get paid $5 for every 25 clicks, which is one of the best ways to make money online.